unboxing the Path and Stream 11-in-1 multi-tool. So guys, let's get into it. I'm gonna unbox it now. Yeah, I almost got it out. We got it. Pretty cool. So let's see what stuff it has. It has a standard pliers, long nose pliers, wire cutter, knife, fish scaler, Phillips screwdriver, bottle opener, can opener, small slot screwdriver, large slot screwdriver, file, wire cutter, and long nose pliers. Let's see how it works. Here are the pliers. This is how they work. First up, let's do the knife. I'm gonna find the knife. Here's the knife. Looks pretty cool. We have the fish scaler, can opener and stuff. Got this. Yeah, so guys, that's gonna be it for the video.